how many in this room love mosquitoes? Thank you. I see one hand raised. You know what? You should love mosquito because although they bite you, they are just incredible and they have a tough life. They have a tough life because everybody try to kill mosquito. Every time you see a mosquito, you try to kill. But it's not an evil creature by nature. Those mosquito, they have their own life. I'm going to try to convince you that mosquito are very interesting creature to study and to respect as well. So let's start with few things that you don't know about mosquitoes. There's many things that you don't know, but I'm pretty sure that during these 5 next minutes, you're going to learn something about their life. The first one is there's a lot of them. So there's about 3,500 species of mosquito on the whole planet. Now, if you are from Canada, you might know this. You have a capital of mosquito in Canada. It is in Manitoba. It's a place called Comarno. There's probably a lot of mosquito in Comarno because there's some statue there too. Big, huge, made of steel. You can see the scale here with this gentleman. I've never seen those statues, so if you see them, if you take photo, send them to me. Those photos come from the internet. So Comarno is the capital of the mosquito in Manitoba. So that's the sound of the mosquito. And that's, to me, what's most annoying to a mosquito. It's not the bite, it's the sound. And the sound comes actually from the wing. When they flap the wing, they're able to produce a sound. And the sounds are actually different between male and female. So each sex can recognize each other because they don't flap the wing at the same frequency. So it's quite interesting to know. Now, mosquitoes are also interesting because they are very fast lovers. They can actually mate in air in 15 seconds. So it's amazing. And I don't think any animal on the planet can... Now, you don't like mosquito because they suck our blood. And actually, that's the truth. They are blood sucker. But remember that only female suck your blood. Males actually feed on nectars. They feed on flower, technically. And they actually pollinize flowers. So they are very useful in the ecosystem. And only female suck the blood. And it will be nice if they would suck the fat instead, but they don't do so. They suck our blood, and they do so for a very good reason, because they need to mature their egg, and they need some protein. You don't find any protein in fat, but you do find a lot of proteins in the blood. That's why they actually need this blood. And so they do that for a good reason. They do that for their eggs, and of course for their baby. So you need